Most Amazon sellers out there are wasting hours building campaigns manually. This is Amazon sellers, this is agencies, this is anyone launching campaigns on Amazon. What we used to do, spreadsheets, formatting, naming chaos, I finally snapped and built a tool to make all of the chaos go away. Have you ever tried creating bulk campaigns within Amazon? You know the pain. You have endless spreadsheet editing. You're manually fixing and typing the campaign names over and over again, fixing the stupid template so it doesn't error. Have you done it within the Amazon system, within the campaign manager? Create a campaign, create the ad group, change the name, go through it. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes if you're super efficient to go through each one of the campaigns, okay? I am all about efficiency. I want to spend more time getting results, not spending time on stupid stuff. So I built a tool to fix all of this for you. As you think through this tool, this is like the bulk campaign builder of all builders. Think Ad Tactics, think Elam10, think PackView, think Scale Insights, think all of these things, but it's going to be faster, simpler, smarter than what we currently are doing out there, okay? So I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do this. Check this out. We're going to get the naming structure right first. So you're going to put your brand name here. Put custom. Maybe you're trying to do a rank campaign here, okay? We're choosing product, sponsor brand, sponsor display. We're going to choose the delimiter. You want to change it? You want to do a star in between each one? We can do that. If you want to do a dash, that's what I like doing. I like having a space before, we can do that. You want no spaces? That's fine. And then what you can do is you can choose, do you want the brand? Do you want to put it back? Do you want to move the brand down? Do you want certain things in here? If there's anything else that I could add, just let me know and I'll add those certain things. And you can see this changes as we go through it, okay? And then you can choose a portfolio ID if you want to put it in there. If you want to use a daily budget of $20, $50, $100, $1, whatever it may be, and choose your ad group bid. And I'm just going to make some of this up randomly, but we're going to do a keyword default bid as well. If you want to search your product pages, we can do that as well. And then this is where it gets really fun, okay? So you've got your naming structure, all that stuff is set. Super simple. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna allow single keyword mode. I like single keyword mode for my exacts, and I'm gonna show you just how quick this happens. So for this specifically, I'm gonna do exact 1, exact 2, exact 3, okay? And if I want that to be $1.11 for each one, we're gonna download the sheet, and you'll see very quickly that these 3 campaigns are gonna be created right away. Boom. Perfect formatting, 0 errors, right away uploaded, okay? Want to try this with another product, SKU02. We can go ahead and do this. You'll see right away, boom. We now have SKU1 for these 3 and SKU2 for all of these. Okay, let's do this a different way. We want to do an auto campaign. And what I like doing is loose match on its own, substitutes on its own, close match on its own, and complements on its own. So we've got different bids for each one of these. And let's say I want to take out the exact, and I just want the auto campaigns. Boom. Done right away in this format. Now, if I want to do it as an individual, like I was just talking about, I can press this, and then immediately I've got all my different campaigns with the different bids. Super, super cool to see on this stuff, okay? This is even easier. So let's just say I want to make all these. I'm just going to do this for a simple case of this, where I have all those, download the file. You're going to see I've got an auto exact phrase, broad, all single keyword, all right here. But then you say, well, Nick, I don't want to do single keyword for this one. That's okay. Turn this off and download it again. And very quickly, you can see how quickly we can make new campaigns with this campaign builder. I can now build hundreds of campaigns within seconds, where you're spending hours creating a couple of campaigns. Instantly, this is outputting a perfectly formatted bulk file, clean naming, 0 template errors, ready to upload straight into Amazon. Within seconds, you're able to get exactly what you wanted. I was so tired of doing this the hard way. I was doing this for years, a very slow way, hours of manual work, something that software absolutely should have been able to handle. I even plan to pay hundreds and hundreds of dollars a month, or just pay thousands of dollars to get it built myself. I finally built this myself. No more waste hours, no more broken templates, no more chaos, just fast, accurate campaign creation at scale. This tool is totally free. If you want a copy, comment, bulk file, I'll send this your way. This is not going to be free forever. So if you want it, get it now, and we'll see how long it lasts. Thanks.